Hi there, I'm Daniel Rutkowski, responsible for business development at Cybus. We are an amazing team of 20 people, located in Hamburg, Germany. We've been in business since 2015. Gartner analysts named us Cool Vendor in 2017, and today we've got thousands of high-profile customers. So, what do? We help industrial IoT adapters, such as smart factory operators or machine vendors, to orchestrate their data between their machines on the shop floor, IT systems, or their applications. And that's super relevant right now. There's currently a study from McKinsey which shows that over 110 billion of euros are spent specifically on IoT edge solutions worldwide, and that over the last 3 years. Today, 94% of German industrial companies say that IoT is essential to secure their competitiveness, and half of them are already implementing and developing new IoT products and services. The challenge is not trivial though. There are a lot of different machine types, protocols, and data formats to integrate. This results in issues in scalability, manageability, and security, of course. And data is the new gold, so we have to avoid vendor lock-ins, both technically and strategically. And that's where today's innovators call on Cybus. Cybus Connectware is an IoT edge hub, which is the centerpiece of most IoT architectures and solves all the just mentioned challenges. We help customers stay in control and move fast. So, how do we do this? The big problem with most IoT services is that they come each with one separate gateway to connect machine and IT. And that's fine, but only if you have to handle just one of those gateways. If you plan to scale to multiple use cases or factories, things can get very quick, very messy to manage. Our solution is the Cybus Connectware. It's one unified gateway, and it puts our customers in control of their data. On the shop floor, Connectware works with all sorts of machines, specialized machine controllers, sensors, etc. Even data that's only available through proprietary protocols we can make available through Cybus technology. On the IT side, pretty much any use case can be supported. Think of monitoring, analytics, predictive maintenance, optimization, etc. It doesn't matter if these services are provided by a third party or by your own IT.
But anybody and their grandma can do this, right?
Actually, no. We enable companies to decide what happens to their data before any build leaves their premises. Conversely, our customers get the layer of access control, which is right between third parties and their own critical production. So, let's make it specific for our two main customer groups. Smart factories use the Connectware as a technology-neutral layer. They install the Connectware and boom, data governance turns from a problem into a strength. We make them agile. Service providers, on the other hand, use the Connectware as a secure, non-concurrent gateway. They extract data from their customer machines so they can concentrate on providing and optimizing their digital services. We really think it's a great story, and we really hope that we can tell it at the HMI Digital Days. Thanks.